How to add weather widget in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can add a weather widget in your Windows. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is search for your settings. After you find settings, open it up. After you open up your settings, you'll then need to head over to personalization, which you'll find right here. Tap on it, and you should be on your personalizations section. So scroll down till you find the taskbar option. Tap on taskbar, and you should be on the taskbar settings. Now from here you can choose what you want to add on your taskbar. So simply tap on taskbar items, and after you tap on it you'll find the widget option. Enable this, and if you get another pop-up there, you'll find a weather icon. You can enable that. For me it's already enabled right here whenever I toggle on this widget button. And that's how you can enable or add the weather widget on your Windows. And that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you found the video helpful, leave a like down below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.